This is a Porsche Boxster, and in this video we're going to replace the front trunk supports. These supports are the same on the 986 and the 996. We're going to need a pick. If you don't have a pick, you can use a small flat blade screwdriver. The lift support is held on by two clips on either end. These clips hold this socket onto a ball. So take your pick, wedge it underneath, and kind of pry that off. Go on the bottom and do the same thing. And then you can pop like that. Now you're holding up the hood. The hood does get heavy, so I just rest it on my shoulder and then pop him off. Take the new guy, snap it on. You don't need to worry about holding the clips out. They'll just snap into place. And there's your new guy installed. While you're here, it's a good idea to lubricate. Lubricate that joint with some white lithium grease. And come up to the hood latch up here and lubricate him as well. And there you go. Replacing the lift supports is very easy. Anybody can do it. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great day.